Hello, welcome back. In this video, I am going to talk about while loop. While is another looping construct in Python. The syntax of the while loop is like we have this while keyword and then we can write some condition and then we can do something here. And similar to this for loop, we have this else as well. So we can do something else. So this is the while loop construct. Let me change it to markdown. So let's say I have one counter called I equal to 0, and if I do something like this, let's say while I less than 10 and print I. So if I execute this code, what will happen is it will set I as 0 and then it will check the condition if I is less than 10 or not. So in this case I is less than 10, so this condition is true, so it will print I. But if I run as it is going to go for infinite loop because I will always be 0 and it will be always less than 10. So what we can do is we can increment the I so that it will reach to 10. So what I can do is I can do I plus 1. So when I will reach to 10 and it will become 10 less than 10, which is false, and that time it will come out of the loop. And then what we can do is we can write the else print while is completed. So if I execute this, we see 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then while is completed and it came to the else block. Okay, now let's say I have one list called my list and it has number like 1 2 3 4 5 and I have one variable to hold the indexes. Let's say it's I and it is 0. What I can do is while I less than length of my list, and I can print my list of I, and I need to increment the I by 1 so that each time it loops it will increment the index position, right? So if I execute it, I should see 1 2 3 4 5. All right, and let's say I want to break out of the loop if I value is 3. So what I can do is if I equal to 3, I can write break. So if I execute it now, so when I value is 3, it will break out of the loop and it will not execute anymore. Now let's say I want to create one guessing game. So I have one secret number, let's say secret, and it is 7. And what I can do is I can create a while loop with always true condition. So this will keep on looping, and what I can do is I can ask for the input. So what I can do is x equal to int input and I can write enter your number, and whatever number user will input I will convert into int and I will store in x. And now I can check if x equal to secret, then we can break the loop. Alright, now let's run this code. So let's say I am entering 3, so it will ask again. So let's say this time I enter 6, again it will ask, and let's say I enter 7, so it will break. And we can do one more thing, we can let's say print your guess is right. Alright, now if I run it and if I enter 7, your guess is right. So that is all about while loop, and thanks for watching.